Shri Paramatmane Namah. May the Almighty bless you all with good luck, good health, happiness, peace, and prosperity in your lives. Today, we wanted to share this information through this video that many people they come to us and they ask whether they should wear the gemstone in a ring or a pendant or a bracelet. Which is more effective to wear an astrological gem in the form of a ring or in the form of a necklace? What we wanted to guide everyone was that it is always better to wear these astrological gems in the form of rings instead of a pendant or a bracelet until and unless it is extremely necessary. It is not possible for you to wear the gems in the rings due to some reason or the other. You are not able to wear rings at all. You should wear the gems in the pendant or the bracelet form. Otherwise, it is always better to wear these astrological gems in the form of rings. Why we should do that, I'll try to explain you scientifically. There are various reasons for that. The scientific reasons, we always try to guide our clients and everybody these Vedic sciences in the most scientific way. We have been researching about these Vedic remedies and Vedic sciences all in a very scientific aspect. These gemstones have to absorb and filter and transfer the planetary cosmic rays through the nature into our body. For this, these gemstones, if they will be in open, if they will be exposed to daylight and especially sunlight very often, then it would be able to absorb and channelize these planetary cosmic rays properly into our body. And in the form of rings, these gems are exposed to daylight and sunlight more, not in the form of a pendant. In the form of a pendant, these gems they hide under our clothes, and hence they are not able to absorb and filter the rays properly into our body. Second scientific reason is that the gemstones have to be continuously in contact with our body to be able to keep transferring the cosmic energy, the vibrations, the current into our body. It takes a lot of days of these gems continuously transferring the energy into our body, through our body into our chakras, to start bringing the changes in our psyche, into our subconscious energies, the energies which we have grown up with all these years. The combination set of those energies, if a new energy has started coming into our body, we have started absorbing a new planetary cosmic energy, and the planetary cosmic energies that we have been living with, it takes some time for this new energy to properly come in tune, in alignment with our existing energies, and ultimately start bringing changes into our nature. For this, the gemstone, if is transferring the energies continuously 24 hours into our body, then the sooner we'll be getting the results in our lives. The sooner this new energy will get properly absorbed and properly aligned with the other existing energies of our body. In the form of a pendant, whenever we are moving, we are sleeping, getting up, even in the form of a bracelet, it is not continuously in touch with our body. Only in the form of a ring, the gems are 24 hours in contact with our body and are able to transfer the rays, the energies into our body. So it is very necessary for the gems to be continuously in contact with our body to give us good results in lesser time. Third most important reason why we should wear these astrological gems in the form of rings is, this is a very important reason. Our It is said that our hands and our soles in the feet, they have the ends of the chakras, the receptive ends of the chakras, which are there in our palm. All the planetary chakras are at the different places of our palm. The place where these fingers come in contact with our palm, that over there are the different planetary chakras, which through veins are connected with the different parts of our brain. Our brain is the most active receptor veins are there in our brain, which is continuously absorbing these planetary vibrations and cosmic energies, which are then transferring into our bodily chakras and is influencing our lives. That is why it is said that the planets, according to the Jyotish Vedic science, the planets, they affect our lives. This is the scientific way how the planets transfer the vibrations through our brain into our bodily chakras. And the hands and the fingers are the places through where we can properly channelize and transfer these planetary cosmic rays, because the gemstones are the concentrated form of their respective planetary energies. So that is the scientific way how the fingers, the rings, are transferring the energy properly to our brain, and from the brain properly into our bodily chakras. This is the most accurate way. That is why it is said in the Jyotish texts why the different fingers are important for wearing different gems, because different fingers are connected with the different chakras of our palm, and those different chakras are connected to the different parts of our brain. So that is the scientific reason why each gemstone should be worn in a particular finger, and a particular metal is also important. That is the scientific reason, and a particular mantra is also important. So always try to wear the astrological gems in the form of rings, properly touching your body. Thank you so much.